Hey guys, it's Cassie and today I'm going to be showing you my dollhouse. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. So this is my dollhouse installed in this shelf that I have. And first I'm going to be showing you my dolls. So my first doll is Sophie and she has a ballerina costume on with a white sweater. She has a hairstyle with a ponytail and a hair clip. Let's put her back. The next doll is Rebecca. And Rebecca has a purple dress on, some pink tennis shoes, and then she has a braid going all the way around to here. This is Jean, and she has a little cute dress on too. She has some pink with shoes with a bow on them, and then she has a ponytail with a little braid in it. So this is the living room / dining room. And this cake we got online, from online shopping, of course. We got this table and this chair set at Target. And this carpet, I don't remember where we got this carpet. And then this we got at Walmart, which actually it converts into a bed. So you can open it like this. And also, this was 2 different chairs that we combined. Me and my mom combined it to make a sofa. Okay? Then we're gonna put this back. So this is my kitchen. There is a microwave. Oh no. There's an oven, a storage area, another storage area, the dishwasher, and there's no accessories in here because sometimes we have little kids coming over and they mess up all my stuff. And then we have, and this whole set is from Target. We have some drinking cups and a jar. We have Starbucks drinks that me and my mom made together. Okay, and then we have the fridge. We have some desserts in the fridge, which those should really be in the freezer, but there's nothing in the freezer. If I can, I'm gonna open that for you. Fridge doesn't close. There's nothing in the freezer. This is the bedroom / office area. And we have a clothes rack over here with a bunch of different clothes. And then we have some accessories. So that's the clothes. And then we have a bed. And this bed we actually made at home with some cardboard and stuff like that. The blankets from here and stuff we made at home. We got this one at online. Okay, and that's a cute bunk bed. These little things we made at home. This set right here with these stuff, not these, but like these stuff, was a set from Walmart. This is from Michael's, and then we have some hair blowers in here, and a stuffed animal. So we have a little lamp on the bed. I don't know where we got this from, but yeah. And then we have some dogs that we got from like McDonald's or stuff, like the little toys that they have. This rug came with a set. So I don't think I said, but this clothes hanger is on the internet. My grandma got it for me as a present, and it's not, the dollhouse isn't that big, but it has everything that my dolls need. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!